Now the next term is molarity to represent the concentration. Molarity, it is represented by capital M. Right? Now the molarity is the number of moles of solute present per liter of solution. Means in 1 liter of solution, the number of moles of solute present is called the molarity of the solution. So here it is the moles of solute present in 1 liter. It is specified, it must be 1 liter, right? Here, liter of solution, right? So the formula will be molarity is equal to moles of solute, so that is moles of solute upon volume of solution, volume of solution in liters, right? So here this is the moles of solute, it is the volume of solution in liters. You may observe here that here comes the liter, that means the volume, and the volume, if temperature is increased or decreased, right, the volume of the liquids affected, that means the molarity is the temperature dependent, right? So here molarity is temperature dependent, as volume of solution is directly proportional to P1 V1 upon T1. So V is directly proportional to T, temperature, right? And here the molarity is inversely proportional to V, and molarity is inversely proportional to V. So molarity also inversely proportional to temperature, also inversely proportional to temperature. So that means if the temperature rises of the solution, the molarity decreases, right? So it is the reverse action, that means it is the reciprocal of temperature, right? So this is the temperature dependency. Now move to the next point. It is if the density and strength of the solution given, then molarity can be calculated with the help of this formula. I am going to write here the molarity is equal to 10 multiply density of the solution multiply strength of solution upon molar mass. Molar mass, the density, D is the density of solution, S is equal to the strength of solution. Right? Now what is this strength term means? Now let us define this strength, right? So strength of solution. So strength of solution. The strength of the solution is the weight of solute present in 1 liter of solution. It is not the number of moles, it is the moles here in molarity, and in strength it is mass of substance or mass of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. So here strength is equal to, strength is mass of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution, right? So it is the strength of the solution. Now the formula will be S, it is represented by S, strength. So strength will be the mass of solute upon volume of solution in liters, right? So mass of solute in grams, it will be in gram. So the strength unit will be gram per liter. Gram per liter, right? Unit of strength. Now we can define this strength more here. Now let us see, it is the mass of solute, right? And in molarity, if we are going to discuss the molarity term, molarity is equal to moles of solute upon volume of solution in liters. So moles is equal to weight upon molecular weight. So weight means mass, weight upon weight of solute upon molar mass of solute into volume of solution, right? And here, if you are going to, this is in liter, right? If you are going to calculate the weight of solute here, so weight of solute will be molarity multiply the molar mass of solute and volume of solution in liter. So molar mass of solute multiply volume of solution in liters. So we can replace this weight solute in these terms, right? In this formula. So S will be, here we can write mass of solute is here, and in place of mass we can write this formula. So here molarity multiply molecular mass of solute multiply volume of solution in liters, right, upon, that is volume of solution in liters here. So volume of solution in liters. So volume of solution cancel out, and here remains the molarity into mass of molar mass of solute. So strength will be molarity multiply molar mass of solute, molar mass of solute. So this is the next formula of strength, and we know that the molarity into molar mass is equal to the normality into equivalent weight. So here S also can be written as the S is equal to normality into equivalent weight. It is also be written as strength is equal to normality into equivalent weight, right? And here the strength is equal to molarity into molar mass, because the molarity into molar mass is equal to the normality into equivalent weight, right? So this is all about the strength of the solution. Now move to the next concentration term, right? That is molality. So here the next concentration term is molality. So molality is represented by small m, and it is the number of moles present per kilogram of solvent. This time it is per kilogram of solvent, right? Is the moles of solute present per kilogram of solvent. This is called the molality. So molality is moles of solute upon weight of solvent per kilogram of solvent. That means we have to divide with the weight of solvent. So weight of solvent, that is mass of solvent. Mass of solvent in kilogram